In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-by-one picture in Canva. If you've ever needed a perfectly square image for social media, a profile picture, or any other purpose, you've come to the right place. With Canva's user-friendly interface, this task is as simple as it gets. Just follow along with me, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your picture ready to go. All right, let's get started. First things first, head over to Canva's website. Once you've arrived, the next step is clicking on the Custom Size option. This is found right there on the home page, and it allows you the flexibility to define the precise dimensions of your design. Since we're aiming to create a one-by-one image, a perfect square, it's important to get these dimensions just right. Now, make sure to set the units to inches. This might seem like a small detail, but in the world of design, ensuring accuracy is crucial for a polished final result. While many might default to pixels, we'll be using inches today to maintain precision with our square picture. With the units set, go ahead and enter 1 inch for both the width and the height. This will establish your 1:1 design. You'll notice the canvas size adjusts accordingly. It's like setting the stage for your creative masterpiece. Now let's move on to creating your new design by clicking on the button that says Create New Design. This will open up a blank canvas at the 1:1 size we've just set up. Now you have the perfect blank slate for your picture. Next, let's upload the image you want to work with. Simply click on Upload in the left toolbar. This action will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. You can either drag and drop the image you wish to upload or manually select it from your file directory. This is where your image begins its transformation journey. Once your image is in the Canva workspace, you want to make sure it's properly aligned. A handy way to do this is by right-clicking on your image and selecting Set Image as Background. This step will automatically scale your image to fit the square frame you've created, centering it perfectly. And there you have it. Your image is now a perfectly square 1:1 picture, ready for any use you have in mind. With the ease and flexibility of Canva, you've managed to resize your image for your specific needs without much hassle. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to check out more of our videos for quick and efficient tips on utilizing design tools like Canva. Until next time, happy designing.